Hello, my name is Divit Chopra and I took part in the Avishkaar League 2020. The Avishkaar League 2020 was a new experience for me since the scale of the competition was different as well as the competition itself. And this introduction of the Hackathon plus the IRC League, which is the old competition taking place online, was a very grasping experience for me. In the first stage, I especially liked the online simulators that were there to actually provide a solution to the problem statement, and designing the whole program online and also running it online was a new experience for me and much different from what I have been to in the past 4 years to the IRC Nationals or the IRC Zonals, which is why it was a completely new experience. Also, what I loved about the Hackathon Stage 1 was that it was a new experience as to making a game on the maker board, and it was also a very grasping experience, especially during this time of the pandemic where we have a lot of opportunities to utilize and learn and utilize our time and learn new skills, new STEM skills, and one of the ways to do that is through the Avishkaar League. I qualified to the second stage in both the competitions, and I found the second stage to be the most fun, especially the hackathon, since we had to build a water dispenser of our own, and it is a very big accomplishment to build our own water dispenser or to build a machine on our own which works, which is why it was a very interesting experience. Also, I liked the IRC League second stage because it brought back that experience that I had earlier regarding physically building a robot and running it on an arena with props like a normal problem statement like what we used to do before the pandemic. I'm proud to say that I came third in the IRC League, and it was a very good experience and a very good utilization of my time, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I will look forward to take part in more competitions next year. Thank you.